Yeah, you look fantastic.
Aw, thanks, babe. Cheers.
So, what do you do for fun? What kind of things do you like to do?
Oh, look, she's hot.
Oh yeah? That sounds sexy. You're sexy.
Oh my goodness. No, I meant the skillet. The skillet's really hot. Oh my goodness.
So yeah, like I was telling you, holy cut balls. Where's all the cut, babe?
It's just lipstick, babe. It happens. It happens on first dates.
That's not sexy. That's like my fucking grandma's lipstick bleeding. At a coffin. Like, what is that?
What? It's just lipstick.
That is not cute. Not sexy. Like, why don't you go to the bathroom and take that stuff off your face?
Oh my goodness.
I did? Babe? I think you're bleeding. Like, check your face, babe.
I'm sorry. I didn't think my lipstick stain was going to offend you on our date.
Babe, my grandma has better lipstick than that. Like, why are you wearing that shit on our date?
I didn't think my lipstick was gonna offend you, babe. I'm sorry. Jeez.
Just leave it off. You're better without it off. If that shit is gonna happen, take it off.
Jeez, it's not like I'm the lipstick fairy or I have access to some magical lipstick.
Like, I'm so glad I'm a man. I don't have to deal with all of that, man.
Oh. And so you were saying about engineering? What were you saying?
Honestly, I think like you're better off without that stuff. Like, and just keep it off. Like, isn't lipstick supposed to be cut-proof anyway?
It's not like I have access to magical lipstick that just doesn't come off, okay? And if you do, that stuff has like chemicals, babe, that cause cancer. Don't you love me?
You kiss on our first date? Let's put it in the mouth.